Hey guys, good morning. How are you? All good? Yeah, today I am day off and just biking around. The time now is maybe 11 o'clock. We're going to Anna Bay actually. Anna Bay is where the sand dune is, where the camels are. Yeah. There's a lot of people there. There's something like a sports activity going on. There's a market. I think they are the same like the one in the marina, so I'm not going to check that out. I'll just keep going on here. Coming from there, still I end up here in Salamander Shopping Center, mate. Why I'm here again at Kmart. I bought this earphone. If you remember last time, the one that I bought from outside, $10 was broken, so I bought a new one. But here in Kmart, $10, man. Yeah, we are now here in the wetland. Yeah, it's like a river. I don't know, man. It feels dangerous. Feels like there is a snake everywhere here. I bought this from Salamander Station in the Donut King. $4.40. Maybe there is crocodiles here. No. The soil is soft. Cause you know we never knew somebody else is a perabati po with you. Yeah, the soil is rubbery. It feels like a rubber. Look, there is warning. Let's see what is the warning here. Salvinia. It is an offense under section 2832 of the Noxious Weeds Act to cause the spread of noxious weeds. Penalties up to 5,500 apply for individuals failing to comply with these requirements. Salvinia. So Salvinia is not allowed to take from here and distribute to other place. Yeah, mate. Banning warehouse, and there is one is like a boating, camping, fishing shop. It's also big, like a, I think it's hardware, big hardware, man. And this one is a super cheap auto, Ripco, for cars. So nothing for me here. And then there is this Port Stephens Toyota. Yeah, there are so many big establishment in this part of Port Stephens, but this place is not for everyone, only for the special purpose of buying car, buying hardware, like that. I reached this place. There is a church here. It's a Presbyterian church, and there's a way here going to the, I don't know, only for authorized vehicle for sure. We are again heading to Berobi Beach. Basically, this is the place where you will see the sand dunes and the camels and the surfing area. This is the place, and this is actually the 1 mile beach. Yeah, that's very long. That's connected to Newcastle. If you look at the map of the Port Stephens, you will see it in the map. There's very white sand. Yeah, this is how it is here. You can see those white part, the sand part, that's very big. That's what I'm telling you, that is connected to Newcastle. A lot of people this time, a lot of tourists. The last time I went here was summer. It was very hot. And there is a viewing area here. This one. Yeah, if you can see, those are the camel. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. I don't know how many. Yeah, there's restaurants there. It's open for breakfast and lunch, not dinner, because I don't know. Yeah, we came from there. Warimi Conservation Lands. We're not going straight there. That one is going to Newcastle, and that's very far for me. We're just going to explore some parts of those houses. Maybe next time. It looks easy to get there, but maybe it is protected by rules and regulation. Maybe it's not allowed to go there by bicycle, or you know, because you know there are some parks that vehicles are not allowed. Bicycle, cycling is not allowed. There are places like that. But for me, because before I come inside here, I check if there is a warning, but I didn't see any warning, so I just get in here. Yeah, during summer a lot of people surfing in here. That's the viewing area. The restaurant is there. We're going to leave the bike there and we'll be walking. A lot of cactus here, man. This one. And now we're going to see what is in here. My bike won't be able to come here, so yeah, we're going back. Look at this, it looks like me. In loving memory of Ethan Perwick. So yeah, that's beautiful, man. And we're going to the other side. But let's see what they have in there. Yeah, we're going the same place where the car is going. And no people here, man. Wherever you go, you don't see people in the house. Maybe all of them are in the mall or in the city. Careful here. So at first we came from there, and then we stopped there, and now we are here. This is another picnic area. So I was coming from there and I take my bike going here. I wish I record that one, but I didn't. And when I come here, look, this is beautiful, mate. Wow. Yeah, we are actually here in Tomari National Park. Yeah, I'm going to leave my bike there. It's locked. Yeah, there are cars here, and we're going to explore this place. Yeah, my bike is locked, but you know, if they want, they can really just put that inside their car. But no, there is a small passage here. Where is it going? Oh, there is one guy flying the drone. I can see the drone here. That drone is very stable. Oh, there are some fishermen here. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah,
Good.
been a while.
Oh yeah, they are shooting, I think. Yeah, actually they've seen a whale on that side, and they sent a drone on that side. It was my first time to see a drone flying. Yeah, and it was amazing because the drone reached very far, really far. Yeah, this area is called Anna Bay. This is like another center of Port Stephens. Yeah, on that side there are a lot of establishments. There are beautiful houses here. And this wetland. This is wetland or lake or what? I don't know. I feel lost. You are approaching the Nelson Bay drinking water catchment. Report pollution threats. If there are no cars behind me, I go past. But if there is one, I go slow. For safety, mate. Especially in the area where there is no bike lane. Yeah, very cold, mate. Whew. I am going home now. The time now is 4:30. Wait, we're going to stop here because we're going to look at the sunset, mate. Very beautiful sunset. Look at that. Yeah, mate, that's it for today. We are going home now. Thank you for watching. Ciao.